Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add checkout widget on any page in Elementor using plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write Royal Elementor add-ons and templates. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see Royal add-on, so click on it. So we are in widget section and then scroll down, you see WooCommerce builder widgets and then you see page checkout enable. Now go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, so this is our container, and then on left side you see search widget, so write here checkout. So this is our Royal add-on. Now drag and drop. Now you see checkout widget added on page, so you can add this widget on any page according to your requirement. And then you see select column, 2 column, 1 column, so it's up to you. So you can select layout. Now you see, now select 2 column again, and then you see width. On top you see style, so click on it, and then you see background color, border type, width, radius, and then you see titles, forms, notice, order table. So you can set color scheme according to your requirement, and then you see place order, you see color scheme, link color, hover color. Now change to any other color. Again scroll down, you see order received, tool tips, coupon and place order button, so click on it, and then you see background color, change. Now you see color change. So you can set color scheme for checkout widget according to your requirement, and then click on update. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.